Hey everybody, this is just a quick video of making some fried okra. We went to the farmer's market and picked up some East Texas okra. And I like my okra to be southern style in a cornmeal batter. And so it's just as easy to buy this stuff. It's a cornmeal batter. It already has some seasoning in it. And I don't do any kind of a buttermilk or anything like that. What I do is I'll cut my okra up. And once I get it all cut up, I'll lightly salt it a little bit, and that'll draw out the juice in it and the moisture and that gooey material. And then we'll dredge that okra through that batter and fry it up. So there's our okra there. I'm gonna salt it just a little bit to draw those juices out. That'll be good. Toss that around. And then we're going to let it sit and let that juice sweat out of it. And we'll batter them up. So we cut up our okra earlier and salted them a little bit. And you can see the slime. Slime started coming out of them, and they're all coated in that. So now we're going to toss them around in some cornmeal batter and then fry them up. We got our Louisiana fish fry cornmeal batter. This is just a real quick and fast side dish. Let's spread it out with the whole bag. Get our okra out of there. And we'll just take a handful and kind of just toss them around. And get them nice and coated just like that. Shake off any excess. There it all is. So we're going to be frying our okra today on my Cowboy Wok. This is a 24-inch flour disc. It's 3/16 of an inch thick, and it's simply just got some horseshoes welded on it. And then it's got this propane burner stand. I bought this whole setup off some guy from the side of the road. I don't really remember what I paid for it, but it seemed something reasonable at the time. And I really love this thing. Cook stir fry in it, do a little frying in it. Wings, okra, catfish. There we go. So we'll get that oil up to about 350, and then we'll start frying. So we're shooting for 350. We're not quite there yet. So we want to heat our oil to about 350. And all right, let's start frying some okra. So they shouldn't take long. A couple minutes or so. Especially that first run here, since that oil was so hot. to get those to that nice golden brown color. So those there are ready. There we are right there, some southern style fried okra. Simple recipe. Get some okra, cut it up, let the juice get runny, get some off the shelf catfish batter, fry it up in some oil, deep fryer, stove top, whatever. That's a perfect side to some barbecue.